I'm David Gilmore, known as LDS Prep. I'm here with Josh with the Brigham Young University Idaho Amateur Radio Club. Hello.
Howdy.
And we have Daniel. He is actually an employee of the university, and you can see he's all geared up, ready to get, I think, our 18th node up and running in the last 5 weeks here in the Idaho Falls area. Joshua had gotten permission from the school to put this node on top of one of the buildings, and then Daniel was kind enough to show up to do that work for us. And he said, well, hey, we got a better location, and so thank you very much, Daniel, for getting us up here on this tower. This gives us probably an extra 150 feet to get over the hill. What we're trying to do is get from Rexburg down to Iona Hill. One of the very first videos I shot when we installed that repeater there. That repeater has been servicing basically the entire Idaho Falls Valley for several weeks now, and it's been really rock solid. We're trying to grow the network north, and this will be a key component in making that happen. This Seed Studio repeater was donated by Connor. I think Joshua and Connor met on Discord, our Discord group, the East Idaho Mesh group. And Connor said, hey, if you guys want, I'll donate a repeater. So out of his kindness, purchased the repeater. Last Wednesday, a couple days ago, Joshua took it to the club meeting, and they flashed it over to Meshcore. Flashed some other nodes also, and got it communicating. So we know it's tried and tested. Now we're just getting it up so we can get the range we want to connect to the other repeaters. All right, well, Daniel was all the way up there. He found a sweet spot to put that repeater, and I'm going to zoom in so hopefully it's not too blurry or too fuzzy. And yeah, that looks great. That's an excellent location for that repeater. I'm very optimistic for good connectivity down to Idaho Falls. We may need one in between, but this looks great. Okay, Daniel, thank you very much. The node is successfully deployed. It's a repeater, set up as a repeater. Joshua just tested it, and it's now called the BYU.
It's the K7 BYI 7th South Tower.
7th South Tower. So look at that. He's going to be adding it to the internet map, so you can add it to your repeater list, and so it'll show up and give you the routes that your messaging is going through. So Joshua, what's your hope with this repeater?
Our hope is that we'll have something that's able to both cover this south side of Rexburg here and get over the hills so we can get out to the rest of the world. There's already an established Meshcore network where you can go from Washington to California, back up to Canada through Idaho. We're hoping to be able to tie into that.
That's sweet. So Daniel, we may be calling you to climb a couple more towers or two. Would that be all right?
I love climbing.
All right. Now, Daniel, you're heavily involved in amateur radio.
Yes, sir.
And I've taken some classes from you. I think you run some of the ERC nets. I've heard you doing that. So not only are you active here on campus, but also in the public emergency response communications. So thank you very much.
You bet. It's a pleasure.
All right, this is David Gilmore and Daniel and Joshua signing off, saying if ye are prepared, ye shall not fear. If you're connected with Meshcore, when the cell towers go down, satellites go down, grid goes down, you can confidently connect with your friends, family, and neighbors over encrypted communications through Meshcore. Check the links down below for recommended devices and the Discord link so you can join us and get your questions answered.